Challenge 6.
So our festivals are around the corner. So normally during festivals, what we will do is we will group the employees or if in corporate or the students in colleges or schools, we'll group them into different groups, right? So we want to make them into random groups, but always we will get complaints like the friends are in same group or the enemies are in same group like that. So how to create groups with the random people in the group? That's what we are going to do. So here what you have to do is these are the number of these are the names of the students, and on the right side we will create a new column, say random values, and inside this we will enter a formula equal to rand bracket open bracket close enter, and copy paste this up to the last value. Rand function will give you random values. Okay, so based on this random value we will sort the data, then we will group it. That's our plan. So now we will value paste this random value, otherwise this will be keep on changing every time what we do something in Excel. Okay, so copy and paste it in the same area. So now this is value pasted. Now we will sort based on the random value. So selecting the column, go to data and sort based on that. You can do any kind of sorting, either ascending order or descending order. After sorting based on random values, we will put the group names. So group, first 6 persons will be first group, second 6 person will be second group, and the next team will be 3 third group, the last one is fourth group. Okay, now you can see just sort based on the serial number again. So in data, sort again. Now you can see all the names are ordered in different order. Hope you understood the function used in this. Thank you.